Hi, so that was an awkward start. And this isn't not good looking, but um bracelets. My mom's making me ravioli and she's gonna bring it up here. I'm gonna catch her on video. Cause I'm really hungry, but I'm lazy at the same time. So I didn't wait, no. So I didn't want to make my own food. So I made my mom do it. And this is my shirt. My grandma got it for me and I haven't worn it. And she gets mad when I don't wear them because she kind of buys me clothes sometimes. So I'm finally wearing it. So I just wanted to put that in this video. And yeah. And I cut myself the other night on accident. If you can see it. You can kind of see it. Pretty pro status. So yeah, I just felt like making this video. I stayed at my dad's last night, and right before I came home tonight, my brother and I watched Harry Potter because we're geeks and we wanted to watch Harry Potter. And we watched Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets, which is like one of my favorite Harry Potters. Then I ate dinner and I came home. Came back to my mom's house. So yeah, now I'm just kind of chilling. I finished, well, it's not finished yet, but I started to get close to finishing my collage, and sorry, my table's in the way. But I started it. Of course. And then my piano. Keyboard. Which is always in the background. Partially. Hi, Mom.
It's hot.
Okay. Say hello.
Hi.
You only got your hair.
Hi. Who am I saying hi to?
YouTube.
Oh.
I started YouTubing again, like regularly.
Okay.
Can you give me a Pepsi, please?
Oh my god. What's this?
That's from the other day. I accidentally left it here when I went to Dad's. Okay. Rufus, come here. Come here. Come here, babies. See if I can get my dog to cooperate. Come here. So I get my dog. Come here. Come here. Come here. Ugh. Ugh. Say hello to YouTubers. This is Rufus. My sister named him because he's supposed to be her dog, but he's basically mine because we spend all of our time together and he sleeps with me and all that stuff. And I take care of him. His name's Rufus. And he's a miniature pinscher Chihuahua mix. He's got long hair and he's so cute. Got him when he was just a little, well, he wasn't really exactly a puppy, but we got him when he was younger. He's so cute. I love this baby. I love this baby. He's my baby boy. Okay. Go curl up. He's just so cute. So I thought I'd get him in this video so his video can be cute. But I'm gonna go and eat my ravioli. I'm gonna send my macaroni. Whoa. My door just opened. Wait, that's not my door. My door just opened randomly. Ghost, maybe. But yeah, I'm gonna go so I can eat. Love you guys.